Hey guys, it's Narmo here and I am back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing a number making app called Feature Points. With this app you can earn by completing surveys, downloading apps and much more in exchange for many rewards. Ensure to stay until the end of the video to learn how you can multiply your earnings passively. You can download this app by using a special link in the description below. So if you want to learn more ways to make money only using your phone, start by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So guys, as you can see, we are now on the home screen of this app. And this app has 4 categories, which is earn, rewards, contest and share. So on the earn category, you can see many things. Here you can share your own custom video. Below that it says complete these tasks to get the most of feature points. That means that when you start, you complete a series of tasks so that you can earn more. Below that there are surveys, and there are 2 offer walls that provides surveys, which are Pollfish and Tap Research. Then you can now download apps and complete offers from different offer walls. And you can also earn by watching videos, but these videos don't give you points in which you can convert for rewards. These videos gives you token, which I will explain the use of these tokens later in the video. And below that it says earn unlimited points, get 50% of all points your friend earns. So guys, that simply means you can refer your friends to this app and you will make 50% of what your friend earns. So the second category are rewards. Here is where you can exchange your points for many different rewards, and you can exchange your points for PayPal Cash, Visa Cash or even Bitcoin. So as you can see, these are the different amounts that you can cash out for at PayPal, and it gives you the amount you will receive and the amount of points that you will need to cash out this reward. So guys, let's move to the third category, which is contest. This contest is where you will use the tokens that you receive from watching videos to enter into a weekly contest, a monthly contest or even the grand contest. Here you can also see the previous winners, and it will also give you a description on how to receive your prize if you have won a contest. So let's move to the last category, which is share. Here is where you can share your referral code or referral link on different platforms, and when your friend or other persons uses your link, you will receive a commission from them, and your friends will also get instant 300 points from using your link or your referral code. So guys, if you look at the top right hand corner of this app, you will see a number. That number signifies the amount of points that you currently have, and at the top left hand corner is where it shows the notifications that you will receive from this app. So guys, we have come to the end of the video, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below and share this video with a friend. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.